Did you know that by the time you reach your late 70s, you could lose up to 48% of your total muscle mass if you don't actively fight it? It's one of the biggest hidden threats to independence, yet most people don't even realize it's happening, until simple movements like standing up or carrying groceries feel exhausting. In the next 5 minutes, you'll discover 3 drinks that can help you slow down, even reverse this kind of muscle loss. Starting with a creamy yellow drink that's probably already in your kitchen. If walking feels heavier, stairs seem steeper, and everyday tasks leave you more tired than they used to, you're not alone. You might be experiencing muscle loss, and this video was made specifically for you. Losing muscle as we age isn't just common, it's expected. But the good news is it doesn't have to be accepted without a fight. What if these simple drinks could help you take back your strength, your energy, and your confidence? The last one is totally unexpected, and yet it might be the most powerful of them all. No more waiting. Your body deserves this. Let's get into it. Drink number 1. Banana shake. Have you ever grabbed onto a handrail while climbing the stairs, only to realize your arms barely have the strength to pull you up? That sinking feeling, the thought that you're just getting old, can be disheartening. But what if your morning drink could actually fight back against that weakness? Banana shakes aren't just delicious. Most people think bananas are just a quick snack. But what they don't realize is what happens inside your muscles just 30 minutes after drinking this. And here's something surprising. Despite what some diet trends claim, natural sugars from fruits like bananas can actually fuel muscle recovery instead of harming your health. Add a scoop of protein powder, and suddenly you're feeding your body the exact tools it needs to regain strength. Potassium works to prevent cramps and support nerve function. Magnesium helps ease muscle fatigue, and protein steps in to repair and rebuild muscle tissue. If you've ever felt your legs give out halfway through a walk, a banana shake might just be your silent weapon to turn things around. Over time, this simple addition to your breakfast routine can help rebuild endurance and make your daily movements feel lighter. Imagine starting your day not with stiffness, but with a renewed feeling of energy and control. But what if you could get even more benefits? Without any sugar at all? Get ready, because the next drink has sparked plenty of debate, especially among those who are loyal to dairy. Drink number 2, soy milk. You've probably heard people say soy is bad for you or that it disrupts hormones, but what they don't often mention is that for seniors facing muscle loss, soy milk might actually be a secret weapon. Unlike many other plant-based options, soy milk contains complete protein, meaning it provides all the essential amino acids your body needs to rebuild and maintain muscle tissue. And here's something that might shock you. Soy doesn't just help your muscles. There's another part of your body it protects that most people ignore. For those who are lactose intolerant or experience bloating from traditional milk, soy offers a smooth and comfortable alternative, keeping you nourished without any unwanted side effects. It also contains isoflavones, compounds that can help maintain bone density, something that becomes more critical with every passing year. Only those who have felt the stiffness after sitting too long truly understand how precious flexibility and strength become with age. By swapping even one daily serving of regular milk with soy milks, you may strengthen your muscles without the discomfort or inflammation that dairy can sometimes cause. It's a small change, but it could make a powerful difference in how resilient your body feels year after year. And the best part? You're not just improving strength. You're also protecting your bones, joints, and circulation with every single glass. Have you ever used drinks like these to support your strength or recovery? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your story. And if you're finding this helpful, leave a like. It really helps the channel. Now for the last drink, and if you're thinking of some trendy supplement or exotic powder, think again. Because what you're about to hear is something most people overlook completely, even though it's been around for centuries. Drink number 3, bone broth. Yes, the old-fashioned, slow-simmered broth made from real bones. Many seniors who have struggled with feelings of weakness, brittleness, and exhaustion report a surprising sense of strength and warmth after regularly drinking bone broth. And the science is finally catching up to what tradition has known for centuries. Bone broth is rich in collagen, gelatin, and amino acids like glycine and proline, all of which are essential for muscle repair, joint health, and even gut support. That simple warm cup you sip on during a chilly afternoon could be doing far more for your body than you ever realized. If you've ever experienced cracking knees when standing up or tightness in your lower back after simple tasks, Bone broth might be the quiet revolution your body has been craving. Over weeks of consistent use, many seniors notice improved mobility, better joint lubrication, and an easier time recovering after light exercise. It's not just food, it's a form of nourishment that reconnects you with a deeper sense of strength from the inside out. And while it may look humble in a mug, its long-term benefits for tissue recovery and resilience make it one of the most underrated health habits for aging bodies. You don't have to accept muscle loss as a natural part of aging. These 3 drinks, banana shakes, soy milk, and bone broth, can become small but powerful daily habits that support a stronger, more resilient version of yourself. This isn't about chasing youth. It's about reclaiming strength, independence, and vitality in the body you live in right now. If this video helped you see things differently, consider subscribing for more. The next time your legs feel shaky or your arms feel weak, remember, you're not powerless. You're just one smart choice away from getting stronger. And if you thought these drinks were powerful, just wait until you discover which ones improve leg circulation even faster.